It's me, Chef Connie, and welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. Today we're gonna make a delicious, yummy, quick and easy Thai cashew chicken. That's right, Thai cashew chicken. This dish is so delicious that even the rice can't wait to be next to this Thai cashew chicken. So, hey, let's get ready to dive into making this deliciousness. Okay, everyone, these are our ingredients to make all of this deliciousness, our Thai cashew chicken. And yes, we do have cashews. So these are our ingredients: oyster sauce, black soy sauce, sugar, green onions, chopped green onions, the white part of the green onions, a yellow onion, chicken, more green onions. I have some oil, water, and more sauce, fish sauce, whoa, and then chopped garlic. So first, what we're going to do is make the sauce before we do anything else. So we're gonna get a side bowl and make the sauce. Okay, everyone, I am ready to make the sauce. And we are going to mix the sugar, water, and I will leave all the ingredients in the description box. The oyster sauce. I think I'm gonna need a spatula for this one. The fish sauce and the black soy sauce. Okay, get a spatula. Okay, mixing all of our sauce ingredients together for the sauce. And then I will meet you guys at the stove to start cooking. Okay, everyone, I'm back and at the stove, and we're gonna start off heating the pan, which I've already started heating the pan. First thing we're gonna do is put in our oil. Step one, there's the oil. All right. And the cashews. So we're putting in our cashews because we're going to toast the cashews. And this should take around a minute and a half to 2 minutes to toast our cashews. And actually, if you're using raw cashews, correction, it takes up to 5 minutes. I got these cashews and they're slightly toasted, so I only need to have them in here for about a minute and a half to 2 minutes. Okay, as you can see, these cashews are already turning kind of brown. They're already toasted, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the pan. Okay, so now we're going to turn our heat up to a medium high and then add the garlic and onion to the oil that we use for the cashews. And our garlic. cook this for 30 seconds, which is pretty fast. And it has been 30 seconds. And now we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken in. We're going to cook our chicken for 1 to 2 minutes. While the outside of the chicken turns white. All right, our chicken has turned white on the outside. It's still cooking, so don't worry about it. We just want to get mostly white on the outside of our chicken. And now, going to add our green onion. The white part of the green onions. This is the white part of our green onions. And our chili. I'm just gonna put a teeny bit, not much, it's up to you. The heat that you want in your dish. You can add more chili. I'm going to cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can cook it longer because at this particular part of the dish, you want to make sure that all your chicken is completely cooked, well cooked. So you can cook it for as long as it takes to make sure your chicken is completely well done. After you add the green onions, the white parts of the green onions. You want to make sure that this chicken is completely cooked during this time, because once we add the sauce and everything, that's only going to cook for a few minutes. So we want to make sure that our chicken is completely cooked and well done. Okay, so this chicken looks completely cooked. And after your chicken is completely cooked, then we'll go ahead and add the sauce. Get our sauce stirred in there real well. We want to make sure that all of our chicken is coated with the sauce, and this sauce is going to get a little bit thicker. So we're just kind of stir it in, make sure all of our chicken is coated with this delicious sauce. And we'll cook this for a couple of minutes till our sauce thickens, which is, it is going to thicken. All right, it's almost ready, folks. It looks delicious. Okay, our sauce is getting thicker. Almost ready. Okay, our sauce looks thicker. It has thickened Great. There we go. This is the time where we add our cashews back into the dish. The green part of our green onions. And now stir it in for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. At this part, you can turn off the fire. Our dish is ready. Our green onions will cook down. Oh, wow, smells delicious. And there we have it. This dish is ready. Look at all of this deliciousness. Okay, so I'm getting ready to prepare this dish so we can do our deliciousness test. Hi everyone, welcome back, and this is our Thai cashew chicken dish. Look how yummy this is. We have rice with chopped green onions on the top for color and flavor, and this is our Thai cashew chicken, yummy, and some steamed broccoli on the side. So, I can't wait to do the taste test. Okay everyone, thanks for watching, and yes, I'm going to do the taste test on this deliciousness. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Listen up. This is amazing and delicious. Oh my goodness. Some of these recipes, I love them, but sometimes it's my first time making them, and this is absolutely delicious. It's quick, it's easy, not a hard recipe. It's filled with amazing flavors. Of course, once again, this is a Thai dish, and we've got all the delicious Thai flavors in this dish, which are amazing. So want some deliciousness. I mean, this is a great meal, and let's go back into this. I just keep raving about this meal because it was so good. Yummy. I think my taste buds are dancing around. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you and your friends back in my next recipe when I create, or we create, some more deliciousness. Bye for now.